held under the NHM.
A group of nurses from the state on Friday met with the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Amperine Lingdor, and urged her to cancel the temporary recruitment announcement for more than 300 nurses for various hospitals located in all parts of the state. They also urged the minister to cancel the recent recruitment exam of the contractual staff nurses due to concerns about fairness and transparency, and that the recruitment should be conducted on a permanent basis to ensure jobs security and stability.
Minso yahab ya katuka chipmi ya katuka post kaba dated 8 of July 2024 katuka ba kadeka recruitment joki contractual staff nurse ikalong ningkong ya kaban cancel ya kanika recruitment daka contractual namar bang mismo yahab ya kabang insu sha recruit kumka daka contractual post.